What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video that we are comparing the sound performance quality of three fantastic Bluetooth speakers in my opinion. The first one which I have in here is by LG. It's XBOOM Go PL7. Fantastic Bluetooth speaker with the output of 30 watts. Then in the middle I have got Anker Soundcore Motion Plus. Again, 30 watt Bluetooth speaker, similar kind of features, fantastic to be honest with you guys. I like it. And the third one I have here is by the JBL, which is Charge 4. Similar kind of power output and the performance too. Now all these three Bluetooth speakers I have in here, they are well known in the market for their performance. And the new one which is emerging in the similar category is by LG PL7. I have done full detailed video review on all three of these Bluetooth speaker. Link for them are available in the video description. But this video is all about the sound test where I'll be playing some royalty free music from YouTube to give you an idea that how clear these Bluetooth speakers are in terms of their sound performance, bassy, loud. You will get an idea straight away. And in future, if you'd like to ask me to compare any other Bluetooth speaker, do let me know in the comment section down below. Also, I'd like to know that which speaker you like the most too in terms of their sound performance. So let's not waste too much of time and go through the sound performance. And I would highly recommend every one of you to use the earphones if possible to hear the sound quality. And an important thing to remember, the sound which I'm going to play on each of these Bluetooth speakers will be exactly the same at the same volume as well. Well, now that would be completely all from my side. I have played versatile type of music on every Bluetooth speaker available right in here in front of you. I hope you found the one which you are looking for. To be honest with you, if I have to say something about each Bluetooth speaker here on LG PL7, I would have to say it is the one of the most clearest Bluetooth speaker in terms of the vocal and the sound quality I have heard. It's not deteriorating the sound quality, but it isn't the loudest in the market, actually in the same segment. Now, on the other hand, we have got a Motion Plus is fantastic throughout, but on the high notes we got a bit of problem going on there because it seems to be deteriorating actually. And same kind of a conclusion for JBL Charge 4 from my end. But to be honest with you, they are not that bad. Actually, you will not be playing high volume all the time. Indoors and outdoor performance is fantastic. I have done a detailed video review on each one of them. Link for all of them is available in the video description. Now that would be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Please do let me know what Bluetooth speaker you guys are using nowadays so I can help you in terms of finding a new one you are looking for. Anyways, that will be all, guys. Bye for now.